Begin at the library homepage, library.lasalle.edu. Go to the eJournal tab and type in Wall Street Journal. Click on Search. And you will see that we have the Wall Street Journal from 1984 to the present from ProQuest Central. Click on ProQuest Central, and then you will receive the publication information page for the Wall Street Journal. Click on Advanced Search. You will see Pub ID 10482. That means that you are searching within the Wall Street Journal right now. You now have to set your publication dates. Go to All Dates, go down to Specific Date Range, and then choose the month and the date and the year on a Monday through Sunday that covers the week that you're interested in. Then go down to document type. There's lots of different documents in here, and you want to make sure you get the news. So you scroll down until you see news. Click on news and then run your search. This will give you all the news articles that appear in the Wall Street Journal for that week. They are sorted by most recent first, which means that the most recent articles are showing up first. You can, if you'd like, go down to Subject, open up Subject, and then if you want to click on More, you can see more subjects, and you can see the subjects that were being covered that week. So if you were interested specifically in Federal Reserve monetary policy, for instance, you could include that. If you were interested in interest rates, you could include that, or tariffs, you could include that, and then apply, and then it would sort by those subjects. And if you want to look at any of the articles, you simply have to click on the link, and the article will come up. Thank you.